Be in silence. Focus on your mind, on your breath. You observe the flow of your breath. The more deep is your breath, the more health you will gain. Mind will rest in peace. Observe your breath as an objective witness, as an observer. There would be a rhythm in breath. Then meditate on Om with your mind focused on breath. Be thankful to Almighty who has given us this life, which is the basis of life, body and mind. Then lift both the hands up and rub them together. Those unable to lift may rub while keeping down only. So if you are unable to lift your hands, then you may open your eyes slowly with hands down only. Afterwards, rest for a while in Shavasana, that is Yoga Nidra. Many patients of paralysis in our country have been cured. Even patients of polio have benefited. Medical data of many of them are with us. Others may also send them to us. Their experiences of yoga may give a new lease of life to millions of people. Compilation of such reports with us may give scientific proof and evidences. If you were suffering from polio and your problem of polio has improved, if you are a patient of paralysis and that has improved through pranayam, your polio, your paralysis, your problems of Parkinson has improved, or your nervous system was very weak, you have found major relief in that, then please write to us. It's possible that your reports may become a proof, such a medical proof, that it may give a new life to millions of people of our country. Hence, once again, we request humbly to those practitioners of yoga who previously were suffering from polio, were suffering from paralysis, or had a very weak nervous system because of Parkinson. Those who are suffering from weakness of nerves, who got a new lease of life, they must submit the copies of their complete reports in our ashram. Do it today itself. It's possible that this action of yours bring a new light in the life of thousands of millions of people. This is our effort. We'll all join together and eradicate all the ailments from the entire world from which millions of people are suffering. Let's bring a ray of hope in the life of all those people. Let's join together and spread yoga throughout the world.
Always remember, paralysis, polio, Parkinson and a weak nervous system are not chronic ailments. One can control these by regular practice of pranayam, minor exercises, acupressure techniques and by having Ayurvedic medicines. Hypertension, depression, high blood pressure and high cholesterol level may become reason for paralytic attack. Patients of paralysis should avoid eating sour items such as pickle, sour curd, black gram, rajma, that is vigna, flower peas, tomato, ladyfinger, soft drinks and other heavy and vat-producing stuff. Patients of paralysis should be given chapatis made up of a particular flour. Mix 1 kg of wheat, 200 gram chana, chickpea and 200 gram barley together and grind them to make flour. The quantity can be increased in the same ratio. Whole green gram is best among millet. Take 100 gram each of the following: leaves of parijat, that is nyctanthus, leaves of ashgandha, that is vidania, leaves of mango, that is magnifera, leaves of rasna, seeds of malkagni, buds of garlic. Grind them and boil them together in water equivalent of 10 kg till the quantity is reduced to the equivalent of 2 kg. Add 500 gram of sesame oil in it. Filter it and use this oil for massage. While massaging, move your hands from lower to upper direction. For weak nervous system, drink milk along with 5-7 almonds and 5-7 pieces of dry raisin. Put 5 to 7 drops of almond extract, badam rogan in nose and swallow them. Ayurvedic remedy. as per the advice of Ayurvedic practitioner. A paralytic patient suffering from high BP should be given juice of bottle gourd on an empty stomach. Muktavati 1 tablet each in morning and evening should be given on an empty stomach. Patient of Parkinson also having diabetes should be given juice of cucumber, bitter gourd and tomato mixed along with 7 leaves each of neem and sadabahar, that is vinca, grinded properly. In case of severe diabetes, use above preparation along with madhunashni. In polio, shilajit and ashwagandha are mainly effective. Shilajit should be given with cow's milk in very small quantity. For very weak patients of polio, paralysis and Parkinson, too weak to practice pranayam, a preparation should be made by mixing following ingredients: Ekang Veer Ras 10 gram, Praval Pishti 10 gram, Amita Sat 10 gram, Yogendra Ras 1 gram, Rasraj Ras 1 gram. Divide them in 60 parts. Take 1 part each in morning and evening with honey or cream on an empty stomach. 1 tablet each of Trayodashang Gugul, Chandraprabhavati and Medhavati should be taken with milk or lukewarm water twice a day in morning and evening. Medhavati should not be given in polio. Polio patients suffering from a weak nervous system should take 1 drop each of Shilajit and 1 to 2 gram of Ashwagandha powder twice a day with milk. If unable to digest Ashwagandha powder, then take 4 spoonfuls of Ashwagandha rest mixed with equal quantity of water twice a day after the meals.